good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening. Or anyways, it is time for devotion 85. Let's go! When Jonathan and his armor-bearer determined to attack the Philistines, things quickly went their way. 1 Samuel 14:13. And Jonathan climbed up upon his hands and upon his feet, and his armor-bearer after him, and they fell before Jonathan, and his armor-bearer slew after him. And that first slaughter which Jonathan and his armor-bearer made was about 20 men within it, as it were an half-acre of land which a yoke of oxen might plow. 2 men killed 20. That in and of itself was a great victory, but the aftershock was much larger. 1 Samuel 14:15. And there was trembling in the host in the field and among all the people, the garrisons and the spoilers. They also trembled in the earthquake, so it was a very great trembling. And the watchmen of Saul in Gibeah of Benjamin looked, and behold, their multitude melted away, and they went on beating down one another. Between the shaking of the frightened Philistines and an earthquake, whose time clearly marks it as a supernatural, the Philistines went into such a panic that they lost all composure and actually turned their swords on one another. Yikes. In other words, there is a good lesson here that we can learn from the bad people. Panic is always an enemy, never an ally. Disasters do not usually announce themselves well ahead of time. Therefore, we must mentally and emotionally prepare for them in anticipation of the fact that they will come, and usually at the worst possible time. Do determine that you will keep your wits when all around you are losing theirs. There is nothing that is ever made better by panicking. Good advice. Don't panic. Have a blessed day.